Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel Impulse Tech. I am Yogesh Bhavne. So today I come up with a project which is based upon Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So as you can see in the background, I have opened the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So today's project is all about monitoring the noise pollution around our area and sending that data to the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So here I am using the sound sensor. This is the sound sensor I am using, and the microcontroller that I am using is ESP32 board. So without wasting so much of time, let's directly jump onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform and let's just see how to configure the Arduino IoT Cloud platform in order to monitor the noise pollution data. So this is the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So let's just click on Arduino IoT Cloud. So now in order to send the noise pollution data to the Arduino IoT Cloud platform, you need to configure the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So how to configure the Arduino IoT Cloud platform? So first, here you need to create a thing. Now, in order to create dashboard and device, I have already created a getting started guide on the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So you can watch my previous video. I'll mention the link in the description box as well as in the I button. So I've already explained each and everything in step-by-step manner. So still I will explain you. So in order to send the data, we need to create a thing. So how to create a thing? So just click on create thing. So once you clicked on thing, you need to configure three basic things here. First, you need to add a variable, then you need to add a device, and then you need to configure your network, like where you are going to connect your device. So these are the three most important things in order to configure the thing inside the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. First, you need to add a variable, then you need to add a device, and then you need to add the network credentials. So I've already done that. So can you see? So this is the thing that I've already created. So what I'll do, I'll just delete this thing that I've created right now. Yes. Yeah. So this is the thing that I've already created. You can see. So here I have used the third party device, which is ESP32 board. So here I have added the variable called noise value. So in order to add a variable, just click on add and give the meaningful name to the variable so that you can understand. And you can write like sound data, noise data, something like that, and select the variable from here. Here I have selected the variable type, which is integer, so basic variable type, and then click on add variable. Add simple. This is very simple. Now, and also select the device. So here I have selected the third party device, which is ESP32 development module, and after that I have configured the network. So here I'm using my mobile phone's hotspot. So that's why I have provided the credentials of my mobile phone's hotspot. Okay. So this is very simple. So in order to create a thing, you need to configure three things. One is add variable. Second is add the device. And the third one is add the network credentials. Now, the most important part of this is creating a sketch or modifying the sketch. This is the most important part of the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So now here, you don't need to go to the Arduino IDE. Like you can directly do the coding on the web-based platform of the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. So you don't need to open the Arduino IDE and type your code and then upload it. You can directly upload your sketch from the cloud itself. So that is the most useful feature I can say. So now I'll go to the sketch. I hope you understood this much part, and even if you don't understood this much part, you can watch my previous video, or else you can comment, or else you can mail me so that I can reply you. So once you click on sketch, you can see there is a pre-written code for you already there. So I will tell you where you need to modify the sketch. So I'll click on open full editor. Sometimes what happens, I'll tell you one of the problem I faced with the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. I tried to modify some sketch in the same thing, and then I have uploaded the same code. Even if my device is connected, it's not showing online onto the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. Then after that, what I've done, I have deleted everything. Like I have deleted the thing, I have deleted the dashboard as well. I have deleted the entire thing on the Arduino IoT Cloud platform, and after that I have created everything from the scratch. And then I've tried to create sketch, create dashboard, and create thing entirely from the scratch, and after that it's working fine. So this is the problem I faced, so that you can also do the same thing. Okay. So this is the code or sketch, I can say. This is the pre-built for you. So what I've done here, I'll explain you step by step. So here first I've declared one pin where I've connected my sound sensor. So I have connected my sound sensor to the analog input pin 34 of the ESP32 board. And here I have defined one pin called sound sensor, which is connected to the pin number 34 of the ESP32 board. Okay. Now inside the Widget setup, there are a few basic things. Like to turn on the serial monitor, we have initialized the serial.begin and given the delay of 1.5 seconds. It's very simple. Now, so these are the basic things for the related to the Arduino IoT cloud platforms. And now the main thing that I've done here, which is the modification inside the while loop. Now, if you remember, I have created a variable named noise value. If I go to my setup, here you can see I have created a variable named noise value, which is integer type. Okay. And now I'll go to the Arduino editor once again. Now can you see this variable is already declared here. So we don't need to declare this variable once again here. So what I've done, I wanted to store the noise data or the sound sensors data into this variable called noise value. So how to do that? So let's go back to the while loop. Can you see that? So here inside the while loop, what I've done, I have written the variable that we have already created, which is noise value. And in order to read the data, in order to read the analog data, I have used analog read, and I know like I have connected the analog sensor, that is sound sensor, to the pin number 34. If you go to the variable this is sound sensor and it is connected to the pin number 34. Very simple. So I am storing the noise data into the variable that we have created, which is noise value. So this is very simple. Now there is a function here on noise value change. So now what you wanted to do if noise value change, what do you wanted to do? So you can add the conditions here, like if you wanted to send notifications and if you wanted to turn on relay or turn on LED based on the noise value data, then you can add your basic code here inside the noise value change function. So this is very simple programming that I have modified inside this cage. I'll mention the link of this code inside the description box. Yeah. So now I'll go to the Arduino IoT cloud platform and I'll tell you how to create a dashboard. So I'll click on go to IoT cloud. So now I'll go to the dashboard. So can you see I have already created here a dashboard, which is noise pollution monitoring. So you can create your own dashboard. So if you need to click on create for that, and here just click on this edit option. Okay. And then give the meaningful name to the dashboard. So I'll write here noise data monitoring. You can write, I'll write here noise data monitoring. Okay, so I have given the name, and now I can add widget in order to see the data. So you can see there are various types of widgets available. So I'll go to I'll add simple gauge. First I'll add simple gauge, and then you can rename it like noise level. Okay, and then you can link a variable, the variable that you have created. So I have created here noise value. Let's click on link variable, and then let's just add here the maximum value that we are getting here, 4095 we can get. Okay, and then let's just click on done. Okay, so you have successfully created the web dashboard. It's very simple. And also you can add different widgets here. Okay, it's very simple. So I'll click on dashboards. So I've already created the dashboard, which is noise pollution monitoring, as you can see. So here I've added one more widget, which is chart. So now let's just see the real-time demonstration of this project. I'll just connect my board. So now we will go to the things and let's just see our device is online or not. So now you can see my device is online. I have turned on my mobile phone hotspot and now my device is online. So I will just shoot the video of actual sensor and the board. So now you can see on the screen I am having sound sensor and the ESP32 board here. So I have connected the analog output of the sound sensor to the pin number 34. This is very simple connection, and also ground to the ground and VCC to the VCC. Even if you don't understood anything, just let me know inside the comment section. Yeah, so this is simple connection. You just need to use 3 wires only. One is for ground, one is for VCC, and one is for analog input, which is very simple. So now we'll go to the web dashboard and let's just see that we are getting the data onto the dashboard or onto the widget or not. Let's just see. So can you see like we are getting the data? So we are getting the real-time data onto the widgets. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to increase the noise. So whenever I try to speak, you can see the data is increasing. Can you see? The values are increasing now. So this is how we can easily able to monitor the noise pollution's data. So if you found this video useful for you, then do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.